Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Till which page number we have discussed?
Ma'am, till page number 58.
We now want to discuss 59 about the dice.
Yes, ma'am, we have to discuss about that only.
Okay, I show you dice in the last class.
No, ma'am.
Okay, this is what in my hand, students. Can you all
It's
see?
a dice.
Dice.
Dice, ma'am.
It's a
Dice.
it's a dice, and you know there is a rule in the dice.
Yes, ma'am.
Students are joining 3 to 4 minutes late. Varinya, Varijya, Kiana has joined 2-3 minutes late. So please take a note of this to join the class on time.
Okay.
Already the class started 4 minutes and the students are very less in the class. So this is a dice. There is a rule in the dice. It's called a rule of 7. What is the rule of 7 means? The total of sum means the total. The total of opposite sides is always 7. The total of opposite sides is always 7. If I am showing you this side and this side is having a number 3,
3.
what should be the opposite of this?
4. Ma'am, 4.
Very good. Because the rule of 7 says the total of the sum means total. The sum of opposite sides in a dice is always
7.
7. If I am showing you this number, this is having which number?
6. So the opposite side it will be 1.
The opposite side it should be
1.
1. If I am showing you number 4, what will be the opposite
3.
of this? Navya?
3.
What will be the opposite of this? 3. And how many numbers are there in the dice? Total
And there are 6 numbers.
6.
6 numbers. And how many faces this dice is having?
Ma'am,
6.
it's having 6 faces.
6 faces. He has joined 5 minutes late. Students, you all are joining late in the class, please.
Ma'am, can I tell the opposite of 2?
Opposite of 2, yes.
5. It is
5.
5.
So this is the rule of 7 in the dice, that the
But
sum
ma'am,
of
in
opposites.
this dice,
Let me explain,
there are
Laisha. When teacher is speaking, you need to wait for your turn, because I will then forget what I was telling to the students. So always remember the sum. Sum means the total. The sum of opposite sides in the dice is always be the 7. If you are looking at one side of the dice, 2, so you can say the opposite of 2 will be 5. If you are looking at the 1, you will say the opposite of 1 will be 6. If you are looking at 5, you will say the opposite of 5 will be 2. Because always remember, the sum of the opposite sides will always be 7 in the dice. Got it? And at a time, you can only see at a time means एक समय पे. At a time, you can only able to see the 3 faces of a dice, not more than 3. आपको 3 ही दिख पाते हैं, पूरा dice नहीं दिख, because you cannot see the bottom one. So if you see the top one, will you able to find what the number is at the bottom?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can.
Yes, ma'am.
Because
if the
yes,
on
because
the top
opposite
it's
side.
2, so on the bottom it's 5.
Yes.
On the top it's 5, so bottom 2.
लाइशा is just want to speak. जल्दी जल्दी उसको बोलना है, समझना नहीं है लाइशा को. So Laisha, pay attention in the class. I have noticed many of the times. I know you good child, you understand, but you always try to speak in between and try to give the answers very quick without understanding. Mir Virani, Mohammed, 7 minutes late.
My Wi-Fi is not working and my tablet.
From tomorrow, I will also join 20 minutes late and I will say my Wi-Fi was not working. Mute yourself now. So this is the rule of a dice, that the sum of the opposite sides will be always 7. Rishik Bajaj, turn on your camera. Kavisha, Khush, Varinya, Mohammed, turn on your camera, please. Yes, Prayag.
Ma'am, if we see from the top view, we can understand because every dice has 7. The 7
The
sides.
opposite total should be 7.
Yes. If
Yes.
if we see top is 6, so we can
Yes.
easily identify that the bottom is 1.
Yes. If you can see the front side, you can easily say the back side of that. If you can see
Yes,
the
ma'am.
front side is 5, so what will be the back of that?
2.
2. If you can see the side of this and the side is 6, what is the other side of the 6?
1.
1.
1.
Got it, everyone?
Yes.
So by looking at these 3 sides, you can find out the other 3 sides what the number should be. Yes? Okay. So please
Yes,
open
ma'am.
the textbook page number 59. I'm going to present the screen.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
First, let me read and discuss.
Yes, ma'am.
We have already done about the directions, smile, house. We have done now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is about Ghibli and the Big Boss. Children, it was there in the last year's book also about the Ghibli in the grade 3. It is written here. Do you
Yeah.
remember Ghibli, the ant in the math magic book?
Yes, ma'am.
Well done. So Ghibli saw a big box on her way. Please mute yourself. Someone mic is on. One day Ghibli saw a big box on her way. It looked like this. So she was looking. If she was looking like this, so she is able to see the number 4. Means she is looking the box from where, my dear students? Ghibli
Ma'am,
move
she,
across and turn left.
ma'am, she is seeing from front.
Yes. Now Ghibli move across and turn the left. Now she could see this. When now she is going another left side and she can able to see the next number. Now she said Ghibli was confused. What was this box? So she climbed on the cup and tried to see from there. Now she is looking from the top. So the box look like this, means you can see all the 3 sides. So if at the top is 1, what will be the opposite of the at the bottom of the 1? Which number will be?
6, ma'am. 6.
6. And if there is a 5, what will be the opposite of the 5?
2.
2. And if the 4 is visible, what will be the number opposite to the 4?
3.
Yes. It should be 3. Ghibli was confused. What was this box? And she climbed on the cup. And then, can you guess the numbers we have already guessed and we have already seen? Yes, this is the right. Ghibli was seeing from the left and then turning. The numbers on the opposite side of the dice always add up to 7. We have already discussed this about the dice. Now, please mute yourself, bacha. Someone mic is on. The numbers on the opposite face of the box add up to 7. So which number was on the opposite side of the 5? Please write the answer.
Ma'am, A is the answer.
No, I am not coming on this one.
Okay.
First I'm discussing about which number was on the opposite side of 5. So right. What will be the answer, students?
Ma'am, the answer will be
What will be the answer?
3, ma'am. 3, ma'am.
How 3?
3, ma'am.
How 3, bacha? The sum, which number has the opposite? Yes, it will be 2. Which child is singing? Which child likes to sing in my class?
Excuse me, ma'am.
No.
Yes, Laisha?
Ma'am, I was telling that the answer is A.
We know here no option is given. A is the another question which is down, which we have not covered till now. Don't go last. Still we are at the top first question only. A is the another thing that we will discuss with the last question.
M4.
First one is done with the everyone. Which number was on the opposite side of 5? The answer is 2. Please write the 2. In the picture, which number will be at the bottom? जो आपने पिक्चर देखी थी पहले, जो पिक्चर पहले देखी थी डाइस की, उसमें नंबर 1 टॉप पे था, उसका बॉटम नंबर क्या होगा फिर?
6.
Yes. Which number will Ghibli see if she again turns left from 5? 5 से फिर से लेफ्ट टर्न करेगी, नॉट राइट टर्न, लेफ्ट टर्न करेगी.
4. Ma'am, 3. 3, ma'am.
हाँ, it should be 3 because वो 4 है, 4 के अपोजिट 3 होगा और 4 5 से लेफ्ट कर रहा है टर्न, so she will able to see 3. Please write the answers which are given here this way. What will this box look? Now we are coming on the options. Got it, students? Got it, Laisha Bacha?
Yes.
Yeah, you cannot jump from directly 1 to the 4.
Yes, because I was thinking that you
That
were
is the
asking
reason.
the-
No, that is the reason I told you never think. You just give the answer. What will this box look like if you open it up? Mark the correct picture. Now these 4 options are the options of a net of a cube. क्यूब की एक नेट है. नेट क्या होती है? जब क्यूब बॉक्स को आप खोलोगे तो वो ऐसा दिखता है. वेट, आई विल शो यू. I have also prepared for you to show you.
Ma'am, A1 is correct.
Let me explain to the students. No, very good if you know the answer.
Excuse
But
me,
let me.
I was traveling in my come to Nana house because I come. What we are doing?
We have already started, bacha, about the last topic.
Okay. I take my book.
I'm not finding where I kept, because I kept it for you to show you all. Yes, I got it. See, this is the net I have prepared. This is the net of a cube. Net of a cube क्या होता है? When you go in the higher grades, you will learn the nets of different shapes. जब net it means जब आप इसको पूरा बंद करेंगे क्यूब को, you will see this is the shape of. I have not closed because I want to show you something. जब आप इसको पूरा बंद करेंगे तो ये क्यूब की शेप में बंद हो जाएगा. When you please put it like this. Now you can see the dice. If I am showing you this number 1, so the opposite of number 1 will be 6, right? अब ये नेट खुल गई. अब इसको चेक कैसे करें whether this net is correct or not? So please, this is the rule I am going to explain you. No one will talk in between. I will stop the presentation. See, always check the net is correct or not. This number will be the total with the alternate number. 3 plus 4 है 7 और 1 plus last वाला 7 है. Means the net is, and this means alternate numbers को आप check करिए. अगर उनका total 7 है, alternate number means first and third, second and fourth. अगर उनका total 7 है, then your net is correct, right? Then your cube net is correct. And ये इसका alternate क्या होगा? ये this and this, not this and this. This and this. Alternate numbers total should come 7. Then the net. Hana is playing with something. Then when I will ask this in the exam, then you will not able to pay attention, bacha.
And we are which about talking. Then
Arnav, it is will be very difficult, bacha, to repeat the topic again. You have joined half an hour late, 15 to 20 minutes. I will repeat it again. Okay. I will repeat this again after this. First, let me explain with the students, those who are here. So this is the net of a cube. I have made it for you to show you and how to check whether this net of a cube is correct or not. The numbers which are written on this, you will check the alternative numbers. First number and the alternate number means next, इसको छोड़ने के बाद एक next number. The total should come 7. 3 or 4, this is 7, and then you can check 1 and 6 is also 7. So alternate numbers का अगर total same है, let me explain with this. This and this, right? This, where I have already told you, in between no one will say excuse me. First let me explain. Mute yourself. Alternate numbers total should come 7. This, this, and then this, and this, and then this, and this. If it is coming correct, the alternate number total is 7, then the net is correct. Dear Kavisha, Khush, please turn on your camera. Yes, Priya. You want to say something, Bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
please.
just like this, we can identify the cube with the. It is just like the that sign. It is also like the rib sign. Also, if we fold it all, it will be a cube. And
Yes.
with identify, we can add the numbers.
Yes, you add the number, alternate number, add the alternate numbers. If it is correct, then the net is correct. Okay, now I will show you the next net which is given in your textbooks. So we will check whether the other nets are correct or not. Arnav Desai, you have joined late. After that also, you're not taking your class seriously, bacha.
Yes, ma'am, I'm taking. I was going.
Because I am noticing that you're moving from one place to another place.
Ma'am, I know net about to understand the last. I know all.
So net A, if we check, I have made the net of the first A only. So which we have already checked, the 3 plus 4, the alternate numbers when we add, then if 7 is coming, then the net is correct. So 3 plus 4 is 7 and 1 plus 6 is 7 and 5 plus 2 is 7. If we go to the B1, 3 plus 4 is 7, that is okay. But 1 plus 2 is not 7. 5 plus 6 is also not 7. So the B net is wrong. So please put it wrong. C, check the C net. Yes, Varija. Varija, will you check the C net and tell me whether it is correct or not? Am I audible to you all, I think?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are clearly audible.
But why Varija is not listening now?
No, ma'am.
What no?
It's
not.
It's not correct, ma'am, because 5 plus 4 is 9, but it's not 7. And 3 plus 1 is 4, and 6 plus 2 is 8, so it's wrong.
Very good. Next child, Dev is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Check the next net.
Ma'am, that is wrong because 6 plus 3 is 9, 1 plus 4 is 5, and 2 plus 5 is 7. There is 1 only.
Only 1 is correct, but with the 1 we cannot say the complete net is correct. Okay. सबका टोटल ही 7 होना चाहिए तभी वो नेट करेक्ट है. अगर एक ही सही है बाकी सारे गलत है तब भी वो नेट करेक्ट नहीं है. Got it everyone? Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, so A1 is correct.
Only A1 is correct, other 3 are wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now we will do the revision. Children, as you all know, the chapter is completed now. This was the last page. Chapter is completed. Tomorrow I am going to take the CET of this chapter. Now I am going to, we have done 3 topics in this, right? We have done about the directions. We have done about the different views. We have done about the dies also. The rule of 7, we have learned that the sum of the opposites in a standard dice. It is called a standard dice. Standard dice means in a standard dice, the rule of 7 will apply, that sum of the opposite sides will be always the 7. So now the 3 topics we have covered. I will revise this topic now. This is the way the world looked when we have seen this page in the textbook. So this is which view, students?
Top view.
Top view.
Top view.
Okay. Which here, Dev, Hit, Dirg, Kavisha, answer me please. I want to hear everyone's voice.
Ma'am, the first one is front view.
Very good. Who was telling hello, ma'am? Mir Virani. Mir Virani, yes.
Ma'am, I am confusing that you are telling first is 6. So what is its left one? I am confused in
What
that.
is first is 6 matlab?
Ma'am, means in the dice.
I have shown you this net, right? And I have told you then.
Ma'am, first dice number is I can see only 6.
Which first dice, bacha? Where is the first dice? On which page number is the first dice?
Ma'am, I am telling the dice.
You are telling the dice then?
Ma'am, suppose you will show one dice.
This is the dice in my hand.
You will show me only number 6.
I will show you number 6. Okay. Then?
I'm confused in what is the back one of that number.
It should be what total. You should always remember the total of both the sides should be same. Opposite sides should be 7. Total of opposite side should be 7. इसकी अपोजिट इसका बैक है, उसका दोनों का टोटल 7 होना चाहिए. 6 आपने देख लिया तो रिमेनिंग क्या होना चाहिए पीछे बैक?
1.
अब आगे समझ रहे हो मीर?
Yes.
Now I will call the child name. Here, which of the following is the top view of the car? First, second, or the third one?
Ma'am, the third one.
Very good. I will call the child name. No chorus answers, please. Wait for your turn. Which view is this of a cup plate? Bhakti will tell. I will call the child name.
Ma'am, top.
Okay. Bhakti has given the answer?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Please mute yourself after giving the answer, Vacha. Next, Mir Virani. Mir, which of the following is a side view of the almirah? The first, this is the almirah. And you can see the different 3 sides. So this is the front.
Ma'am, the second one.
Which is the side view. Yeah, second one.
Side view, second one.
Now I will go to the next child. Ahana. Ahana, yes. What is the sum of opposite side of a standard dice?
Opposite side. Ma'am, 7.
Just now we have done. You should be quick in the answer. Thank you. 7 is the sum of the opposite side of a standard dice. Go to the next sum. Okay. This is for Hansel. Hansel. Not there. Hit.
Yes, ma'am.
There are 3 different dice are given to you. Check which is the standard dice. कैसे चेक करोगे? 3 given है, 3 sides इसके पीछे के खुद निकालो and then tell me which is the standard dice.
Ma'am,
6 के 6 का 6 इज एट द टॉप, तो इसका बॉटम होना चाहिए 1, तो 1 तो ऊपर साइड में गिवन है, इसका मतलब ये डाइस तो रॉन्ग हो गया. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am. The second one is correct.
Second one is also wrong, क्योंकि 6 is at the top, bottom 1 होना चाहिए, but bottom is again on the side, so this is also wrong.
Ma'am, third one is right. Third one is right. Third one. Ma'am,
Which is right?
third one.
Ma'am, third
Okay.
one is also not correct.
Yes,
Be-
third one
be-
is also not correct.
Because the 5 and
5
2
के
are
side
not
में दिया.
opposite.
Yes.
Ma'am, five and side.
They both are, they 3 are not the correct
This
one.
is wrong.
All 3 are wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Which of the following is this answer will be given by Varinya. Varinya, which of the following is a front view of a television? First, second, or the third option?
First, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Dirk Patel. Dirk Patel, which of the following is not a standard dice? Which of the following is not a standard dice?
Not, ma'am.
Nah,
The
not.
second one. 3
3
plus
का
2 is
2
5.
हाँ.
4 plus 5 is 9. And 6 plus 1 is 7. Only one is right, others are wrong.
So
That
second
does
one,
not make it a standard dice.
very good, excellent. So second option is wrong. So your answer is second option. Go to the next question. Kiana, what is the shape of a dice? Kiana?
Ma'am, I can say.
No, but where is Kiana, bacha?
Hi.
All are Kiana in my class. Hansel, mute yourself. Hansel, where were you when I was asking the question?
Ma'am, there was my network issue. Ma'am.
Not of network.
Excuse me, ma'am, your voice is echoing a lot.
It's echoing because other students' mic is on. That is why.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will go to that question. Sorry.
Ma'am, I understand the concept, the cube zone.
Okay. What is the shape of a dice? Is the Rishik? You tell me.
Ma'am, it's very easy cube.
Very good. Go to the next question. I will call the child name. No one will answer me in between. Navya. Navya, you tell me. Top view of this table will be of what shape? Navya. Top view of this table will be of what shape? Navya is not there in the class, bacha. Kavisha, you tell me. Am I audible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Kavisha,
ma'am.
you tell me, what is the top view of this table?
Ma'am, rectangle.
Is she correct, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
Ma'am, the square also.
How is square, Arna?
Yes, not come. I say not come square.
Yes.
And
It is rectangle. Next, Yug Surana. What will be the top view of this design?
Ma'am, the third one.
Third one, very good. Okay, now we will discuss more questions. Is my this page is visible? Next page.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ahana. Ahana.
yes,
Bacha, you
ma'am.
there? Okay. Now you answer me. Things will appear large if we look at them from a height. True or false?
False.
Very good. Priyag,
Yes, ma'am.
there are 3 blades in a fan. True or false?
True.
True. These are the basic questions which are depend on your textbook. Laisha, a balloon with air is light. True or false?
What one? Can you repeat again?
A balloon with air is light.
Yes. Means it will come true.
And then it's going up. The face of a cube, Kush Desai, the face of a cube is a rectangle.
A cube. False.
False. Now Hit Kasodia.
Yes, ma'am.
If you are traveling in a train, then distant trees will move in a opposite direction.
Yes, ma'am.
अब अगर आप ट्रेन में चलते हैं तो आपको वो कैसे दिखते हैं ट्रीज जो दूर दूर हैं, वो आपको ऐसे दिखता है पीछे जा रहे हैं कि आगे जा रहे हैं?
पीछे जा रहे हैं.
Let me check. Wait a minute. So it is false. It's not true. Opposite में नहीं जाते हैं. जब भी आप whenever you traveling in a train, तो what we feel is सब चीजें आपके साथ साथ चल रही हैं in the same direction. Opposite direction में नहीं चलती हैं.
Yes, ma'am. It feels like that.
It feels like that, no? कि the road is also going along with you, trees are also going along with you, moon is also going along
Yes,
with you.
but actually
Yes,
they will
ma'am,
not move.
moon,
They will
sun
be
and
staying
all.
there only.
Yes, but they are on the, but what we are moving, that's why we feel all the things are moving along with us.
Ma'am, and when I was small, now me, my mother.
And in HRM, we will discuss Bachaya Hana, okay? If railway tracks look wide from near, then it will look dash from distance. This will give me Prayag. Prayag, a railway track look wide from near. आगे से बहुत wide दिखता है and it will look dash from distance. More wide, narrow or big?
It will look narrow.
Yes, it will look narrow. We have already discussed in the textbook that if the things which we are looking from near and from front, it will look broad. And slowly जो पीछे जाती जाती है, it will look narrow.
Feels very small.
Not small, we can say. We will say narrow. Things will. Yes, Arnav.
In Saturday was holiday. You can tell the
In Saturday, first of all, you tell me, Anna, we will talk in the HRM that which English you speak, Pacha. In Saturday, I was absent. In Saturday, on Saturday, you was absent.
on Saturday
So I have noticed many of the time this thing that you speak wrong English. You please try to speak good English. And please come in the HRM. I will talk with you regarding this.
ma'am.
Things will look dash what are nearer to eye. If the things which are nearer to eye will look how? Big or small?
Ma'am, big. Ma'am, big.
Big.
Yes. If you, this is done, the railway track is done. The candle looks long from near, it will look dash from distance. Long, wide or small? The candle. Small. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. Which is near to dog, swing or seesaw? Dog.
Wait, seesaw.
Seesaw. Next question. Swing is in which direction to seesaw, east or west?
West. Ma'am, west.
West.
Next is the swing is to the right or left side of the girl.
Right.
Where,
Ma'am, left.
where is the girl sitting? Where is the girl sitting? This the girl is sitting here. And the swing is to the right side of the girl.
Yes.
This we have already discussed. This we have already discussed in the textbook, if you have remember.
Yes.
So if you talk about Almirah, there are 3 different views are given. So first is the front view. Second is the side view. And the third is the
Top view.
This is which picture in the B1?
Match.
It's a matchbox. So if we see the first image, it's the
Side view. Side view.
if we see the second image, it is the
Front view.
Top view.
Front view.
and if we see the third, it's a top view. And this, if we see the this is the television front view.
Side view.
Just a minute, students. Yes. Yes. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the car, and this is which view? First, if we see
Front view. Front view.
front view, and next is
Side view.
and next is
Top view.
okay. So thank you, students. We have revised this, and please prepare yourself. Okay, for your CET, which is tomorrow. Thank you,
Yes, ma'am.
students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.